Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can subscribe Amazon Prime Video. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is simply access your particular Amazon Prime Video app on your phone, and right after that make sure you're signed in as well. And now you can, in the home section, browse through the shows. Right just below, if you swipe up it, you will find this option of subscribe and to buy in the bottom of the shows. For the clear view, tap on the store option right over here, and you have plenty of shows with the options. Now let's say you can, but you have to make sure some actually, you can see the shows let you rent them or buy, and some only have the option of buying the show. So what we're gonna do, we're simply gonna go ahead, choose a show for us, and now we have this option of buy movie. And then if you do not have any option for us to subscribe for it, and again we're going to go back, and on top you can see this particular series, and this Brooklyn series as well shows the subscribe option. Tap on it and you're going to find this option of watch with Max, start a subscription. Now simply gotta tap on the option, and now we're going to tap on this option of continue. And there you go, you gotta select your plan accordingly, and then you gotta provide the details of your payment, and then provide them the payment method of yours. And once you're done, you will be able to take in the subscription, and you can come back to your account and check out your subscription as well whenever you want, and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.